If you're looking for a personal loan, I'm going to share with you 3 banks where you can get a personal loan with no hard inquiry. And one of these banks go all the way up to $40,000 for a personal loan. And if you qualify for these loans by these banks, you can receive the funds as little as 1 business day. And I'm going to share with you some tips and hacks on how to get approved for these loans. And we're going to jump into it in this video. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey and how to leverage your credit to make money. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you go to my website, you can get this free hard inquiry removal package you can download for free. I'll leave that link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. Now, the way that you can get these loans with a soft pull is being a customer of these 3 banks that you're already in their system. Now, with these banks, if you are currently not a customer, one of the ways that you can do a hack is to see if you qualify for their credit cards and get into their system as a customer. And the way you can do that is through a soft pull pre-approval to see if you qualify. And by applying for those cards, they give you an 80% chance of approval with a soft pull. Now, with that, it does turn into a hard pull a lot of times if you're not already a customer. But once you get in, then you can get the loan product if you're not already a customer of these banks. At my website, I have a soft pull pre-approval tool that you can check out. And you can check out that link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. But these banks are very popular, so you may already be a member of these banks and have products with them, so you can qualify for these loans without a hard inquiry, and they only do a soft credit check. Now, the first bank is American Express. American Express does give a personal loan exclusively to their members. So with American Express, here's some of the breakdown of their personal loans. Now, American Express personal loan offers a loan amount from $3,500 to $40,000 with repayment terms from 12 months to 6 months, APR going from 6.90% to 19.97%. Fees involved with this is no origination fees or prepayment fees. There is a late fee of $39. Funding time, you can get them as soon as 1 business day after the approval. Now, the eligibility, you must be an existing American Express cardholder who has received a pre-approval offer, and the credit score requirement is typically a 660 or higher. Now, there are the benefits of no hard inquiry to apply, and checking for a pre-approved offer does not impact your credit score. There's a fixed interest rate that ensure predictability of monthly payments, no hidden fees, no origination or prepayment fees, and fast funding because the funds can be deposited as quickly as 1 day. Now, with American Express, once you come in on the personal side with credit card offers and with this personal loan, it's a soft pull pre-approval. They generally will check at that point from TransUnion. Now, if you're first joining, a lot of times American Express can pull from 2 places, which is Experian and TransUnion. But once you're in their ecosystem, it is a soft pull. Now, with American Express, the easiest cards that you can get is the Blue Everyday card and also the Delta Sky Miles card and the Hilton Honors card. Now, the Hilton Honors card has been one of the easiest doorways I've seen for people. Even some credit scores as low as 640 I have seen. And with American Express, they do have the Apply with Confidence tool, meaning you can apply for a card and they will let you know if you're approved without a hard inquiry. But if you then take the card, it can turn into a hard inquiry. So with American Express, you always want to go in on the personal side first. It doesn't work that way if you go with business credit cards first, but you go in on the personal side and then all their products, including the business cards, you can get with a soft pull including this loan. So that is an option with American Express to get that personal loan. Now, the second bank on our list is Citibank. Now, Citibank has a flex loan option. Now, with Citibank and their flex loan option, they allow you from your existing credit lines to construct a personal loan. Another good thing about these flex loan offers, many a times it's easier to get approved for a credit card than a personal loan, because a personal loan is unsecured, and many times banks are more apt to give you a credit card than a personal loan approval. Now, the loan is already waiting in your wallet for you. With the Citibank's flex loan option, it allows you to put your available credit to use. Now, you can check if you have an offer with no credit check, no application, you get a fixed rate, and they have terms up to 60 months payments, and you simply just check your available credit line, choose a payment schedule that works for you, and 3, you can get your money as little as 1 business day. Now, with this, your loan amounts can start as little as $500, and the maximum depends on your credit limit, and you have repayment option, usually 12, 24, 36 months, or 60 months, and the APR will be a fixed rate disclosed at the time of the offer, and a lot of times it's lower than your card's regular APR, and there's no origination fees or application fees, just interest. Now, with Citibank, they do have a tool so you can check your pre-approvals for their credit cards. If you're not a customer, sometimes this tool is taken away, but the majority of the time they do have that tool available. And one of the easiest cards to get from Citibank, as reported, will be their Citi Double Cash card. It's reported credit scores as low as a 580 credit score. But with Citi, I would want to be somewhere around a 680. That is good credit territory, but you can use that pre-approval tool to see if you're pre-qualified. And with Citibank, one of the things to keep in mind, it depends on where you are regionally for their approvals. Many times they can pull from Equifax or also Experian, what I see the majority of the time, one of those exclusively depending on your geographical region that you're in. Now, the third bank is Chase. Chase has a My Loan feature, and this is for their customers, where if you have a credit line with Chase, you can get a loan off of that credit line. Now, with Chase, it is known for premium credit, but there is an option now with Chase for lower credit scores with one particular card. Now, the way the Chase My Loan works breaks down like this. There's no credit check. You can utilize your current credit line, and there's no additional credit inquiry. Loan amounts minimum of $500. The max depends on your credit limit and account history. Fixed APR typically is going to be lower than your standard purchase APR. Repayment term options, 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months. There's no fees like origination fees or early payoff fees. Quick funding that is deposited in your bank account within 1 to 2 business days. Now, you can check your eligibility by signing in to your Chase account online via the Chase mobile app. Now, with Chase, they are known for premium credit scores above 680 or 700 with Chase, but there is a little known backdoor way with the Chase Freedom Rise card. Now, this card by Chase is designed for those with lower credit scores. Now, with this card, what is suggested for a better option of being approved for that card is having a Chase checking account and starting it off with a security deposit of $250. Now, Chase can convert this card to an unsecured card, but you want to manage that card and that card payment so you can move up in the Chase ecosystem. And Chase increases your credit lines once you get in there with a soft pull approval. So once you get into that Chase system. Now, with Chase and this loan offer, if you're in their system and you have a larger limit on that Chase Rise, then this can open you up for this option in the Chase system where you can get this loan from Chase from your credit line. So hopefully this information is helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. But if you have more detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.